All right, so here is a new air compressor for the shop. MasterForce, 20 gallon, 150 PSI. It's supposed to be ultra quiet, as the box says. Got this from Menards. I think with a added warranty, it's like $348 plus, you get the 11% off if you send back in the rebate, which I did. Replacing a quite old and used compressor, so we're gonna unbox this and see how it is. All right, so fairly good packaging, nice and secure and foam and everything. If I wasn't by myself, I might try to lift that out of there, but we're just gonna do it the easy way and slice on the non-staple side down this box. Remember, kids, watch your fingers. There we go. Cut down this side. This side, it does have staples in it, but I'll get away from those. There. That's the way to open up a big box like that. Also, if you guys don't have it, I'm not saying this brand. Actually, this was free that I found somewhere, but it takes the little utility blades. The thing's just awesome. Just comes in handy. I like pocket knives, don't get me wrong, but you got to sharpen them, everything else. This, I got a whole pack of blades. It's nice for an everyday carry, especially if you're getting a lot of packages and stuff. You can just slice everything open. It goes dull. You just swap in a new blade, you're done. Okay, so like we said, a nice packaging there, nice and secure. It doesn't look like you'd have to do a lot as far as putting it together. That's a good thing. I know sometimes you got to put the wheels on and everything else, but not so. We're gonna go ahead and cut the other side just to make it really easy to get out. There. Get that foam off there. A little bit of packing tape there, no big deal. I'm doing everything one-handed today because I've yet to get my camera out, so hold on just a second. Okay, so there it is. Out, ready to go. I read the instructions just to make sure. Didn't have to do anything to start with. I like it, so far. I did a lot of homework. I was mainly looking for a warranty, a decent sized tank, and I like the dual outlets. I like that it's quiet, or we'll see how quiet it is. And also pretty good CFM at 5.0 at 90. If you start looking at some other cheap ones, most of them are around 2 or 3. You can't really do a lot besides air up tires with that. So I want to operate a few air tools. I know they're kind of on their way out. A lot of people have gone with cordless, this and that, which is fine, which is great, but you can still get air tools for cheap and they'll last forever. I have a Harbor Freight brad nailer. That thing's, I've had it for 15 years probably, and nothing's wrong with it. So why not use the cheap air tools for now? They come in handy. So we're gonna get this fired up and we will see how quiet it is. Okay, so we got it plugged in here. It's ready to go. I have a Flexzilla. I think I bought that on Amazon. Nice 50-foot reel. This is not the end location for this, but I had earlier, take it over here, had a nice little hot dog compressor. This is $25 on Marketplace, and I think my wife found it for me a couple years ago. I used to have a big Craftsman, and I sold it thinking I would never need it because I wasn't really doing anything as far as in the shop or anything like that until like the day after I sold it, and then of course you need it. So I grabbed this, like I said, 25 bucks. I put some oil in it. I mean, it's seen better days. I'm probably just gonna give it away. I mean, but it's done great. Let's see how quiet this is. I mean, it's not bad. I can talk over it. You set your outlet pressure here. Obviously, you can't do that once it's full, so we'll just change that down for now. Let that tank fill up to 150. But yeah, I'd say it's pretty quiet in comparison. I took a video earlier of the old one running, so by now you've seen that comparison. I'll put it up again. So, not bad at all. Okay, so before on my previous air compressor, I had this El Cheapo Harbor Freight air cutter, and I didn't even pay attention when I bought it, not realizing it needed a lot of CFM, and that compressor wouldn't even close to do it. Now this one doesn't do a bad job for intermittent use, which is what it's rated on the tag for a cutoff tool. You know, these put out a lot of air, so not bad. You can crank it up a little bit there and get some little not bad, you know. So that was my main purpose, so I could use a little more air tools with it, and it definitely does that. As far as ultra quiet, I don't think so. It does put off some heat, so I'm gonna have to double think my spot here. Put it in a good spot where it can get some air and nothing close to it. But hey, overall, not bad. More to come. We're gonna start working on the Road Glide sometime today, but just want to get this out and get it open. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and take care.